Get ready for an epic and historic performance sa Lollapalooza 2026. Todo ensayo na para dyan ang P-Pop Kings na SB19 na layon ding madala sa international stage ang talento at kulturang Pilipino. Ang surreal moment na ito para sa grupo, ichichika ni Aubrey Carampel.
P-Pop Kings SB19 will soon make history bilang kauna-unahang Filipino act na magpe-perform sa Lollapalooza, na isa sa biggest and most prestigious festivals in the world. Para kay SB19 leader Pablo, surreal pa rin ang pakiramdam mula nung matanggap nila ang formal na imbitasyon at kumpirmasyon.
For almost 7 years now, one of our goals is to really introduce Filipino music all over the world, and to be able to perform in the biggest stages like Lollapalooza is such a dream.
Si Stel teary-eyed pangaraw nang matanggap ang balita habang nasa isang convenience store sa Japan.
When they saw me and they were cheering for me, they were like, "Oh yeah, we can do this finally. It's a win for the Filipinos that finally there's a Filipino act performing for Lollapalooza."
Sabi naman ni Josh at Justin, nagbunga ang ilang taong walang tigil na pagsusumikap para maiangat ang Filipino music, kaya raw puspusa na rin ang paghahanda nila para sa napakalaking milestone na ito.
Right now, it's all making sense and everything's going actually fast. And we're very thankful that we are getting the opportunity. So, yeah, I cannot believe at first, but right now it's all sinking in.
This thing is really like a big step towards our dream. And so we shouldn't let this opportunity go to waste. So we should just do our best.
Hindi rin nakalimot si Ken na pasalamatan ng kanilang fans ang 18 at ang buong team na kasama nila sa kanilang music journey.
I can't be thankful enough for the fans for supporting us until today, and of course the people behind us, also our team, everyone that keeps on supporting us from the very beginning. We're just so thankful and very, full of gratitude in our heart.
Kasama ng SB19 na magpe-perform ang iba pang artists from all around the globe sa Annual American Music Festival. Nasa Amerika na ang P-Pop group na todo ensayo na para sa show. Pero higit daw sa isang world-class performance, mission din ng SB19 na dalhin sa international stage ang tunay na kwento, talento at kulturang Pilipino. Nais rin daw nilang makapagbigay ng inspirasyon.
We just have to show our authentic selves, right? We just have to be there and represent our culture.
One thing's for sure is we want to inspire everyone.
Hopefully, it becomes a ripple effect. It becomes one of the stepping stone where people could, dive deep in the rabbit hole and see what Filipino music and what Filipino culture is all about.
Aubrey Carampel, updated sa Showbiz Happening.